going furniture shopping, or rather viewing. All right, so we just want to take a few pictures first. We've been wanting to get the furniture for the longest time, but you know, priorities. Now we can finally do. All right, see ya. Are you driving?
No, you have.
Guys, we're here. It's windy, very windy. So this is the store we're going into. The parking lot is really empty. It's in the evening, so it's about 6 p.m. You're taking him out of the car seat. We forgot to bring the stroller. Alright. It's so pretty. Like, how will someone buy like white stuff? So guys, we're here. I can't really talk because of the face mask, but it feels like going to heaven. I was gonna say I like this, but I saw the price. I'm like, no. Oh, but this is not bad actually. Huh?
You can do that.
But like it's 698. We don't need like a single, right? Oh, this is beautiful.
The question is, do we have enough space in the house?
Yeah. Nice look. Oh, they've sold this one. It's something like this that I actually have in mind, like something like this.
I like this.
Yeah,
It
but
is
it's
just
but it's too small.
Yeah, we can place an order for that one.
What? Oh wow, this is good actually.
Yeah, we can take that.
And it's not too big for the house.
Yeah, I think I like that one.
You're going to make an appearance in my video, babe. Come now. This one is... This is the type you buy when you're not gonna get there. Like, I love this. But you can sit now. You don't like it?
Oh, this one you must get. Even your makeup.
So, you could do Couch+loveseat.
Yeah.
It would actually be $886.
Okay. How long?
You do the sectional. I have the brand.
Oh.
Do you have company?
Sometimes
Some-
I sleep in the couch, so
But sometimes it's not for it's
work to bring out.
no, it's just to pull it out.
All you do is lift these up.
Okay.
But like I like this pattern.
The top part of it.
Oh, of your old school that. So you not get the round thing, eh? But yeah, I like this couch. Oh,
So you can get this one the same way. Oh, okay. You can get the manual version of this chair.
where is that?
We don't have it on the full. So this one uses power.
Yeah.
There's armrest here.
I just like it because it's cool.
I believe Shimmer. Aren't you helping this lovely lady here? No. I thought she was. No, you were helping us. Yes. Okay.
Hey guys, so we are back to the house. Everything went as planned, but we quickly came back because we need to pick up some things, and then we're going to the store for some grocery shopping and all that. Let me know down in the comment section which furniture you think we went for. So we actually did get a couch and a love seat, so hopefully by next week it should be ready for pickup. And I'm just gonna show you guys a peek of okay. He's sleeping. He was already cranky before we left the store. So look at him. Look at it. Say hi. Huh? Say hi. Alright. So pretty much that's it, and I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm tired. If you're not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe as well as give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. See you all next week. Bye bye.